Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to enable WhatsApp HD photo sharing on Android. So to do that, you have to go to your WhatsApp, of course, and then go to any of the chats or any conversation. And then you have to go to this paperclip icon. Now go to gallery. Now select any photo you want to send. So let's say I want to send this one. So after that, you have to tap on the HD icon on the top right. And now the item is set to HD quality, and then tap on the paper plane icon. And as you can see, once the photo is sent, the HD icon on the bottom left is showing. So it means the photo is set to HD and it is sent to the sent in the conversation. So yeah, this is how you can enable WhatsApp HD photo sharing on Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.